Hey, hello guys, I'm gonna do other collab with this stinky guy, but it's okay. Yeah.
Stinky, look at Chucky.
I don't want to hear it, man. You're stinky.
Bro, the alpha leash has yellow teeth.
No, I
I
don't.
want to hear it.
I don't have yellow teeth. You have yellow teeth as well. We both have.
Stand still. Look at that yellow teeth.
This boat is ours. Oh my god.
I don't know, I'll take it.
There's a new boat. Can you go this boat?
I died. Look up and shoot me.
It doesn't matter if people, random people are with us. Go. Okay. You peasant, get off me. I'm starting.exe. Imagine wearing the hunt set. The guy looks so skinny behind me.
Looks so like.
Bro looks like a trick. Bro looks like a French fry.
Oh, good. Well done, Brolio. Oh, come on, Brolio.
He just jumped off.
I didn't like couldn't.
We're going fast.
Don't worry. The alpha shouldn't want to do that.
What are these avatars? No name. Yeah. No name is a name. So.
Oh, actually, no name is the most pleasant thing you get to no name.
Oh. What the hell's sand? What the hell's sand to guy? Are you talking about Undertale?
Santino guy.
Santa guy.
Oh, I'm not even driving. On my screen, I'm not even driving. I'm stupid.
None of us are driving. The boat is going by itself.
Literally, I swear, I'm not even driving.
Yeah, no one is driving the boat.
Pure skill. This is my aura driving the boat.
My god, you have no... You only have a stinky aura.
Bro, I want to hear, bro. You have green aura flies.
Oh my god, you have flies in you have no... Your aura is just...
Oh, no, stuttering.
So, I was not stuttering. You stutter more than me, man. You know it, but it's the first time I stuttered on video. You can't use this against me when you stutter more than me 1,000 times in school.
No, see, Hashim, you're all lost always been in that. It's too late now, Hashim. I'll forever hold it against you.
Yeah,
Hashim.
I already have this. Maybe I should say this, Uncle. This guy ate blue candy on the ground. This guy found blue candy on the floor and ate it. He said this guy is basically eating dirt. It was some blue random candy. The guy ate it from the floor. The guy was licking his fingers.
Hashim, you ate something.
No, I never. It was my other friend eating it. It was you? No, it was Shadow Monarch and one of my other friends, my first friend, which I'm not gonna say on this channel. But he has been on this channel before.
Which?
Yeah, this guy ate blue candy from the ground.
You did. Hashim, you literally did.
Trust me, guys. You did. I did not. This guy's lying. Okay, I'm gonna say pinky promise. I would never break a pinky promise.
Cross your fingers, exactly.
Okay, I did not trust my fingers, man. So stupid.
Actually, he's gonna be laughing. Shout.
You remember that you were the only one who ate that blue candy for some reason.
I usually didn't. What is happening?
Okay, I don't want to hear the lies. Or the evil.
Don't lie. Actually, you're listening to your
What the hell?
71 viewers. I mean, subscribers.
Man, you got 3 subscribers and I got 17.
Yeah, we actually had one footage we had one so 10 subscribers.
Guys, I'm training so many cuts the
happy
thing.
birthday
You go to the end.
Happy birthday
I'll just go to the end.
to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
What is this? Okay, we're close here. Oh no, we're gonna no click in the bathrooms. Oh. Where the hell are we?
Well, please read them. Just
Why is it all dark? Is this a horror game? That it was supposed to be a horror game, but
actually, Messi is scary. Like if you look at your eyes, it's scary. Actually, look behind us.
okay. Oh, no child.
So,
The hell? I would look behind myself. What the hell? My eyes look scary indeed.
I seen stuff like human.
The hell?
But then my hands are
What's happening? I see a waterfall. We're going down.
Water. Actually, so
That scared me somehow.
actually, something chasing us.
Oh, I thought it was. What the hell? Are we in the hell? Oh. Is this?
Vale, continue.
No, kid, it wasn't Ed. Get back on.
Staying.
We're going somewhere.
Point one. I just swear, what am I driving?
You're not driving. Oh no. Kid, you chose the water pot. You chose this.
Oh no, I look at my amazing driver has cooked this.
You're not driving.
Look at this, I'm actually
I know. You're not driving.
you know what I meant.
No, I did not.
Okay.
Okay, what if we go over it so the block falls off?
I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it stuttering, man.
You stutter more than me.
No.
And I have a proof as well, but I record it sometimes. But I'm not gonna post it on my channel, of course. That sounds like a predator. A predator would do that thing.
Yeah. Could you look me? What is it?
What?
What is it?
You're mentally insane. No, someone else is mentally. What the hell?
One of these is Hashem.
I fold off.
I died. I got splintered.
I guess that's the end.
Yeah, we do.
Bye bye.